This is a 2008 Sea Ray 470 Sedan Bridge, which is characterized by the low-profile appearance and inboard V-drive power. The 47 combines the versatility of a Flybridge yacht with the accommodations of a high-end cruiser. This floor plan differs from most in that the Galley is aft of the Salon, giving a great open feel throughout. Features include a hardtop, full enclosures on the Cockpit and Flybridge, and the Flybridge even has AC and heating. With twin Cummins diesel engines, it can cruise around 25 knots with ease. One thing you'll notice when you enter the cockpit is the SeaDeck flooring, which is also on all the other decks. This is a great space for entertainment with a large fold-away aft bench seat, ice maker, and easy access to the Salon or the Flybridge. The stern of the boat features an AB inflatable dinghy with a 40 horsepower Yamaha that is sitting on the hydraulic swim platform. The foredeck is surrounded by a stainless steel bow rail, and the sun pad is a comfortable spot to soak up some sun. As mentioned before, the decking all features SeaDeck flooring, which provides shock absorption as well as excellent traction in any condition. Next, let's move to the Flybridge, an impressive space that features a full enclosure and fiberglass hardtop and even air conditioning. The helm station is aft and center with dual adjustable helm seats, bow and stern thrusters, and Raymarine radar, GPS, and chart plotters. The forward bridge also features an entertainment center with TV, wet bar, isotherm refrigerator, plus lounge seating and a table. Moving inside, you can see that the Galley is aft with a dinette forward and up the steps. There's plenty of seating around the high-low salon table, and here your guests can enjoy a panoramic view of the water. To starboard is a leather sofa with storage below. Details here in the Salon include satellite TV and a Bose surround sound system. The aft galley configuration makes for a Salon with an open feel, especially with a window to the cockpit that folds down. Features here include a Kenyan 2-burner electric stove and stainless steel sink. To starboard and neatly hidden behind cabinetry is the isotherm fridge and freezer, as well as the convection microwave. Below decks, the luxurious full-beam master stateroom is amidships and features a queen-sized island berth with a flat-screen TV and another Bose sound system. There's a leather settee to port, as well as cedar line hanging lockers. The ensuite features beautiful tile accents, a vacuum flush head, and a separate stall shower with acrylic door. The VIP stateroom is forward and also features a queen island berth, flat screen TV with Bose sound system, and numerous storage cabinets and hanging lockers. The guest head can be accessed from the stateroom or the hallway. It has a vacuum flush head, separate stall shower with a seat, and you will find the same tile work here as in the master head. The engine room can be accessed from a hatch back in the cockpit. Down here you'll find the twin 600 horsepower Cummins diesel engines that will cruise around 25 knots, as well as the 17 kilowatt Onan generator. This yacht has been well maintained and upgraded and is an excellent example of a Sea Ray 47 sedan bridge. The full specs and asking price are linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more boat tours. For more listings, visit our website.